Hello friends, now we will talk about the OCR disk. What is the OCR? OCR manages the Oracle clusterware and Oracle RAC database configuration information. OCR is the central repository for CRS. They store the metadata, configuration and state informations for all the cluster resources defined in the clusterware. It is a cluster registry used to maintain applications, resources and their availability within the RAC environment. So what is OCR? OCR means what, like the control file in the normal Oracle. It keeps the information about the Oracle registry, like as in control file will keep information about the Oracle database. So that's it. That is the information about the OCR. So how it works, what are the configurations and other parameters, we will let's see. What is the size of the OCR file? Size 300 to 500 MB is more than enough for the sharing all the nodes informations. So this is the OCR. What are the information stored in the OCR file? OCR file. What is the OCR? Oracle cluster registry. They store below information: number of nodes or the instances, number of disks information, scan details, startup and shutdown sequence of Oracle CRS services, information about the deleted and created nodes. That is all information. Like as in already discussed, is like as in control file. This is control information. What is happening? What is not happening in the cluster level? It gives an information about the in OCR files, where you can store the or the create the OCR file. You can store the OCR file in and voting this on the Oracle automatic storage management or an certified cluster file system where the Oracle is certified. Okay. So what is the Oracle recommended for the OCR routine disk file for the store that or create? Oracle recommended that you use an Oracle ASM to store the OCR and OTIN file. So OCR file is a binary or text file. Obvious, it's a binary file, so you can't read it. How to know the backup location of the OCR file? Just go to there, OCR config show backup. That is the give the information where the backup is going on. And how to take the manual backup of the OCR config manual backup. Redundancy of the OCR file max. OCR file is a 5. Likewise, we can create 8 max control file in the database. We know, you already know that we can max up to the 8 database control file in the database level. Likewise, OCR file for the cluster registry service, we can create an only 5. For external, 1 copy, normal is a 3 copy and the high it's a 5 copy. What about the OCR and OTIN disk backup policy? By default, OTIN disk and OCR disk is auto backed up from the 11G2 onwards. So Oracle take the OCR backups and the purge automatically. How it is taken happens in the backup every 4 hours, every day and every week, and that is after the backups it will automatically purge when it comes in the retrieval. So the location of the OCR file, just go there, OCR check, give the information about the location of the OCR file, or the cat etc Oracle OCR lock. It will give the information where the location of the OCR file. Where the OCR maintains a copy. Every node maintains in memory OCR copy in a shared pool. It's a very important and interview questions. Where the OCR maintains a copy, that is purely sure that OCR maintain a copy in the shared pool. Every shared pool, like every node. That's it. So what are the backup location of the OCR? Backup location: grid home, C data, cluster name and the OCR file name dot timestamp. This is the backup location of the OCR. Who will be take up the backup of OCR file? Master node take the backup of OCR file. Now the question is how to know the master node is in Oracle RAC cluster. Okay. So here the answer: the node which joined the first the clusters is a master node. Each node has the node and the list of assigning the orders in which the nodes is joined in the clusters. If a master node is rejected or rebooted, here let's understand, like every time it will not be sure कि this is the master is first time, but sometimes it happened get the master nodes will be down or up, and sometimes the another node also will come up. So in the master is evicted or rebooted cluster, choose the next node which joined the clusters right after the master first node. For the master instance, master node is responsible for backup of OCR file. Obviously, whoever the backing of the OCR is the master instance. This is the way we can find the master nodes. So we have the command how to know the who is the master node. Just go to the OCR config show backup auto. Will give an information like who is the master node, who is taking the backup, will give the node name. Else cat the OSSD log will give the information. Likewise, we just the run this command will give the information, or cat the CRSSD log also will give the information about the who is the master node. The next question is how to change the OCR default backup location. If you want to change the OCR backup location, you can OCR config -backup, and you can give the whatever you want to backup location. Like I just put it over here, U001. Whatever you want, you can give like U001, APP, Oracle. You can put, depends on your own. Depends on your requirement. So how to restore OCL file in grid environment? That is sometimes a tricky question in an interview. So these are the answer for this. Step 1, stop the cluster in each node. Like CRSCTL stop CRS-F. Step 2, start a cluster in the exclusive mode. How it is? CRSCTL start CRS-exclusive-NRC. Step 3, restoring the OCR, like OCR config restore. This is the path where we are restoring. That's it for the OCR file.